these are the accessories for the monitor stand. This one is cable, this is display cable, and this is for VGA cable. Oh, it's good. So no need for the HDMI cable which I bought for connecting my laptop. So now you have type C cable, and type C port is available in this monitor. This is the latest version of Lenovo monitors. So let's open the other bag. Here it comes, the main monitor, all securely packed. This is the monitor that will be connected with my laptop. This is for office use. Let's take it out. Here is the monitor. It's 27 inches. Now we need to fix it. So see, it has USB port, HDMI port, display port, and the best thing is the type C port. So it's a good device, by the way. It is compatible with the latest requirement. So that's it.